All right, so I got my garlic. I tried to get garlic heads that were big, so we would get big cloves, which in turn would turn into more big heads. Let's hope this works.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brightbird Acres. It's me, Taylor, and today is the perfect day to plant garlic. My sister and I started by prepping our garden bed by removing all of the cardboard, removing the weeds, and tilling it up a little bit with a garden fork. In colder northern climates, it is best to plant garlic in mid to late September and October.
It's a cold and windy day here on the farm, so we had to stake up our trees. We gave them a few points to stick from. We're gonna check on them again next week, and hopefully they're still standing.
Garlic prefers well-draining, fertile soil. All of our raised beds are pretty much 100% filled with composted horse manure. So we laid out our garlic around the perimeter of the garden bed because garlic doesn't like having much competition. Each clove is about 6 inches apart from the other one. Once Tori laid out all of the garlic cloves, I came by and buried them 4 inches deep and covered them back up with soil. We just had a very heavy rain at the farm, and garlic does not like to be drowning in water, so we did not water after we planted the garlic.
That my hands are all dirty.
Garlic is planted in the fall because it needs at least 40 days of chill weather to flower in the spring. In colder climates here, like in Wisconsin, it needs extra mulch to keep warm over the long and harsh winters. We used some extra wood mulch to cover up the soil. It's a little veggie blanket. We'll see this garlic in the spring, and I'll see you in the next video.